Hey y'all, now I know it's a little odd that I'm starting a video tour on the couch. Normally we start right from the front door. But I wanted to point out a couple of things about this camper. This is the 2024 Salem 165 View. Now if you've watched our videos before, you know we've had a 28 view, a 29 view, and the 24 view is super popular as well. But all the little things about those views that people want to change or things done a little different, Salem's listened, and this 165 view encompasses the best of all of those campers in this model. Want a desk to work on instead of bunks? Check, got it. Got your grands sometimes and want to be able to turn that desk into a bunk? Check, got it. Want to sleep with your partner? Got a big bed. Rather have a twin? Convertible? No problem. Want a convection oven? Check. Solar? Check. Everything you could want in a camper, check, check, check. So if y'all will hold on just a minute, I'll give you a normal video tour. Hey y'all, alright, as promised, here is the video tour of the 2024 165 View. Come on in. So let's start over here. I've just come in the front door and let's talk about the kitchen. So the first thing I want you to see, I've got a standard fridge, freezer, your control panels here. Normal 3-burner stove, although if you notice it's a little wider than a standard. And then check this out. It is a convection microwave. So you want to use the convection, have at it. Regular microwave, no problem. Round sink. Plenty of storage under here. We're going to come back to this little entertainment center. Check these out. This is both a jackknife sofa, recliners, and a place to eat. These little tables pop right out. They store in the drawer. You can put them right here if you want to eat. All right, take a look at this. So, standard backboard for a TV. Tons of storage, little bins. More storage here. But remember, with the views, anytime you see this sticker, I got something to show you. Just pull right here. Now look back in here. Now we currently have this set up as a desk. So you've got a little rolly chair. This space here is a desk. But notice, you've also got wardrobe storage. So you want to stash the chair, hang some stuff, no problem. Got USB and plugs here, spots for books here. Everything, lots of room if you want to make this a place to work. But this desk comes all the way here, lays across here, and notice here you got bunk mattresses. So this can be a bunk, and then there's a bunk on the ground, and we've got back here, you see the little spot in the back, the little hole? You've got a fan, keeping it all nice and cool to keep the air circulating. Awesome. All right, let's go back here. So we've got this pass-through bath, big shower and skylight. Got this collapsible curtain, which y'all know I love. You've even got this little light piece up here. Super light. Over here, we've got storage underneath. Medicine cabinet. Little sink. Now, if you ever see the balloons here, this is how we're winterizing now from the factory. This keeps all the water in the balloon, and that way it doesn't get into the tank during transport. Got a pass-through door. Again, check that out, y'all. Just give you a little view. All right, now, let's look here. So as it stands right now, you've got this great big bed. You've got a USB storage and a plug back there. All of these windows have coverings and shades that drop. Over here, you've got storage on either side. Got storage above. And then storage here. Now, watch this. Prefer a his and hers bed? No problem. One on each side. Plenty of storage below. Then you've got the table that lays here. Lays here. And then it stashes perfectly out of the way during the day if you don't want to have it down and get to your drawers. Y'all, this little 165 View really does have everything for a couple. Whether you have little kids, grands, somebody's just going to be with you every once in a while. So much light, so much space. Great little slide. Bedding any way you want it. come see this 165 view. Y'all, thanks for tuning into this video tour. Now remember, if you click over here, you'll be taken to a playlist of other campers similar to this one. And if you click over here, you'll subscribe to our YouTube channel. You'll get notified as soon as we get stuff on the lot. As always, thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.